Welcome to JH. Today we are diving into Healthletic BPC-157, a supplement that has people talking as if it's the fountain of youth for your joints. BPC stands for Body Protection Compound, which sounds like something a superhero would use, but it's actually a man-made version of a peptide found naturally in your stomach. These peptides are just tiny chains of amino acids that act like little messengers, telling your body to stop complaining and start healing. Apparently, our natural recovery process is just too slow for the modern world, so we've decided to give it a synthetic kick in the pants. The big selling point here is that it supposedly repairs muscles, tendons, and ligaments at a speed that borders on science fiction. It's also claimed to reduce inflammation, making it the new obsession for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who probably shouldn't have tried to bench press a small car in the first place. Some users even swear it improves gut health and digestion since the peptide is stomach adjacent. It sounds like a miracle cure-all, provided you're comfortable being a bit of a pioneer in the unregulated supplement frontier. Now, for the part that usually gets buried in the fine print. Most of the promising research was conducted on animals, not people. So, if you happen to be a very athletic lab rat with a hamstring injury, you're in luck. For the rest of us humans, there isn't actually enough solid scientific evidence to prove it works the same way. Scientists are still insisting on more human testing before they give it a thumbs up, but who needs boring, old peer-reviewed data when you have internet anecdotes, right? Healthletic serves this up in a capsule, which is a lot more convenient than the traditional method of injecting it. However, there is a heated debate among experts about whether your stomach acid simply destroys the peptide before it can do its job. It's a bit like sending a courier through a dragon's den and hoping the message still gets delivered. While many users claim they haven't grown a second head or experienced serious side effects, the product isn't FDA approved, so you are essentially your own lead researcher on this project. Safety-wise, most people report feeling fine, though some deal with headaches or digestive drama. If you're pregnant or have serious health conditions, you should definitely consult a doctor instead of a YouTube comment section. Also, be prepared to pay a premium. This stuff isn't exactly priced like your average bottle of vitamin C. You'll have to decide if your bank account can handle the cost of a supplement that is still very much in its experimental phase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.